My name is Aisha Zafar. My roll number is 123. Let me take you through the exploration of Corpus Juris Civilis. We will explore how Roman legal system laid the foundations for the modern legal systems. Many Roman principles continue to shape today's legal frameworks, influencing how laws are structured and are applied around the world. The Corpus Juris Civilis was created because the Roman legal system had become very complicated. Different laws from different times were overlapping, and it was very hard for the people to know which the law was actually. Emperor Justinian, who ruled the Byzantine Empire, wanted to solve this problem by unifying all the laws into one simple and clear system. This result was a big project that consists of four main parts. This project made is it easier for the government and people to follow a set of rules. During Justinian rule, the Byzantine Empire was carrying on its traditions. The Roman legal system was messy. Over hundreds of years, the Roman laws had been written down into bits and pieces. Even some of them contradicted each other. Justinian wanted a single, organized, unified legal code which would unify his empire and make legal system fairer for everyone. His solution was the creation of the Corpus Juris Civilis, which means body of civil law. Components of Corpus Juris Civilis. The first component is Codex Justinianus. Simply, we can call it as the Code. It was the collection of the old Roman laws and imperial decrees which were still useful. The contradicted and outdated laws were removed. The second component is Digest. It was a reference book for the lawyers and the judges, which contains the opinion from the legal experts and the interpretations of the laws by the legal jurists. Institutes is the third component. It is a basic textbook which contains the basics of the Roman law to teach law to the law students. The fourth component is novellae constitutionis, which we can simply call as novels. After the complete compilation of the Corpus Juris Civilis, the laws which were newly made by the Justinian were added into it. It shows how the Corpus Juris Civilis continue to evolve. Corpus Juris Civilis made Roman law easy to understand by removing all the unnecessary parts and make it logically organized. The main focus was justice, equity, and public welfare. It clearly states the rules about the property, contracts, family law, and criminal justice. By making laws understandable and standardized, it helps to run the state more smoothly without any confusion and conflicts. Importance in legal history. The Corpus Juris Civilis became the foundation for the civil law system, which is still used in many countries today, for example, in France, Germany, and Italy. After the decline of the Byzantine Empire, the scholars reintroduced the Corpus Juris Civilis during the Middle Ages, which helped a lot to understand the Roman law. It inspired the later legal codes, for example, the Napoleonic Code, which influenced many modern legal codes worldwide. In civil law countries such as those Europe, Latin America, and many parts of Asia, laws are written down and are organized into codes such as Corpus Juris Civilis. In contrast, common law systems such as in USA and UK, they rely more on the past rulings and court decisions. While they are different, even common law systems are influenced by many Roman legal principles. The Corpus Juris Civilis wasn't forgotten after the Justinian time. European scholars studied Corpus Juris Civilis and used it as a basis for teaching law in universities. It inspired many legal reforms and codification processes in later centuries. Until today, many roles of Corpus Juris Civilis are taught in the legal schools, especially in the countries following the civil law system. The Corpus Juris Civilis was a groundbreaking project that unified and preserved Roman law for the future generation. It focuses on fairness, equity, and logical organization, made it a model for modern legal systems. It was a very important contribution to legal history, shaping the laws are created and applied even today. The quote from Cicero, "Laws are silent amidst the clash of arms," reminds us that laws are very important for maintaining order even in difficult times. Justinian's efforts to codify Roman law shows how important it is to have a clear and organized legal system. Thank you very much for your attention and your time.